Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Earlier on today sibikile udaba lukaNkateko lo eLimpopo obeka khuluma i-crowd ingamzwisisi kahle. Then upresident we-Youth League wasukuma wa-address i-public, wayesenza igama elithi ishangane, ekuyilona-ke lenza ukuthi kube nokugxekwa kakhulu. Sebeyenzile-ke ividiyo la axolisa khona nalaba belungisa khona ukuthi kahle kahle i-MK ngabe it's a tribalist party yabaZulu kuphela noma kwenzakalani. Sizoyicaphuna le video, kodwa ividiyo engifisa siyibheke kunento enziwe i-MK party ngapha e-Western Cape, ngifisa ukuyincoma. Yingakho-ke ngithi ngizoyifaka nawo le video kule video le. Ividiyo yesithathu esizoyikhava nesizoqala ngayo udaba lika-Mervin Dix, lo mbona la ku-screen sakho lo hleli phansi, owu-chief whip lapha e-KZN kwi-legislature. Ngicela uzwe la.
Akudlala lapha ku-MKP, isiphondo sigcwele inhlabathi sikhuluma nje kumfoka Dex, akaseyona i-whip. Ayi politiki, hayi ziyaboya sebedonsela ukhaphethe. Politiki le akuyona into yokudlala.
Njengoba uzizwela-ke nawe ukuthi akaseyona u-chief whip, ngitheke uma ngiliphenya lolu daba ngifisa ukuliqinisekisa ngadibana nanansi ipost. Sihle Mavuso yena ubhale kanje, uthi i-MK party sixoshe uMervin Dix as u-chief whip KwaZulu Natal legislature eney'nyanga ezingaphansi kwa-8 nje after appointiwe kule position. Uzoreplacewa-ke uBonginkosi Mngadi. Uthi-ke lezi nguquko ziza emveni kokuba kunengxokozelo ne-confusion lapha kwi-leadership ekhona ngaphakathi kwi-MK party kwi-legislature. Okulindelekile ukuthi amanye ama-members of parliament ukuthi nawo azokhalelwa izembe, nawo azophuma eparliament. Lokhu-ke abasibekele lona mayelana nalolu daba. Asiluleke sidlulele odabeni lukaSisi uNkateko. Kodwa ngaphambi singene kulo ngiyacela subscribe phela kwi-channel, ulike ivideo, comment, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi kuthini wena ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba lonke nje lolu lwenzakalayo. Ungasiphosa futhi ukujoin i-membership, ungasiphosa ukusidonate noma ngamalini onayo, ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngicela uzwe la.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Nkateko Mkhabela, the Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Youth League. We'd like to address the comments that were made yesterday by our president at our official launch on the podium. Firstly, mina, as I've said, Vidaramana Nkateko Mkhabela, I am indeed Mchangani. Akaya kahle kahle ile Bushbuck Ridge aMpumalanga. Ngabanye akabakokani iwele aGwambini. Number two, it's crucially important to note that Umkhonto weSizwe Party belongs to all races, to all tribes, and to all ethnicities. If you look at our structure currently, we are represented by Tswana people, we are represented by Xhosa people, we're represented by Zulu people, we're represented by Vatsonga, we're represented by Shangaan people. We are there, we are seen. Thirdly, I'd like to note that we understand the veracity of the comments that were made. However, Konoso was honestly defending me because comrades were being disruptive as I was addressing. Thank you so much to everybody that defended me. I appreciate it. However, I do need to note that it was completely taken out of context. Umkhonto weSizwe Party belongs to everyone, to all races, to all tribes, and it's not just a Zulu party. Thank you.
Thank you very much, SG. Commander's morning. Comrades, firstly, I would like to thank all young people across all 9 provinces who attended the MK Youth League launch yesterday. We had a successful program where the MK Youth League was launched officially by our Supreme Leader, President Jacob Zuma. Second of all, I think what I said yesterday was taken out of context, but the SG has covered me. The MK Party Comrade does not belong to KZN only. It belongs to all 9 provinces. I myself, I've been to Limpopo in Giyani. When the Congress they did welcome me and I did address in English. So what happened yesterday, I was stopping ill discipline while our SG was addressing. because we have to be disciplined in the MK party. But there may be those who would feel that I have offended them. So I sincerely apologize. But what I was doing, I was protecting my Secretary General and protecting the party, because the MK party in its constitution speaks about discipline. So I was installing discipline on the podium yesterday. But thank you very much, commanders. Thank you for attending our program.
Yeah.
Very successful program. Thanks to all our leaders who participated, making sure that we had a successful program. Thanks to the volunteers of the MK party, the ground forces, the provincial leadership, the regional leadership, the zonal leadership of Achikumete Zone, eThekwini Region Youth League, the mother body. We thank all 9 provinces who attended, and detachment as well. Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza.
Kwaza.
Awusevelile-ke usisi uNkateko wazikhulumela naye nobhuti futhi waxolisa kulabo abantu ababe offended. Amaphutha akayenzeka kunoma ubani, kodwa njengoba ngishilo kwivideo eyandulela le ukuthi isimo ngendlela besingakhona besiphoqa ukuthi akasukuma i-address emali lento manje emaphutha bowangenzeka. Ulenzileni iphutha futhi kodwa uma umuntu oqaphelile ubonile ukuthi ubelawula isimo njengoba esho naye. Siyamuzwa-ke, siyakubonga futhi owakwenzile ukuthi mayibona ukuthi kunezikhalo kubantu abuye azokhuluma nabantu futhi bayicacise indaba yokuthi MK party ngokusho kwabo phela ukuthi MK party ibelonga kuwo wonke lama tribes akhona na wonke ama province lawa akhona. Ayikho nje ukuthi it's a Zulu party, okusho ukuthi into ayishiwo uPrince Mashele ayilona iqiniso, bayayiphika. Ngibonile kama comment kwivideo yandulela le, abantu abanye bevumelana nami, abanye bephikisana nami. Futhi ke lokhu ngiyakujabulela ngoba kwenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuxoxa. Comment section ngiyayithanda ngoba asilwi, asithukani, siyaxoxa. Asidlulele phambili ke. Ama political parties kufanele abe ingxenye yomphakathi, abe ingxenye yezinto ezenzeka emphakathini. Njengoba sazi ukuthi kunemindeni ehlaselwe izikhukhula ngapha eEastern Cape. Abantu abekuthiwa abashonile babalelwa ku-80 something noma 90 abantu abashonile. Noma indaweni ezi-affectekile kungeyona Eastern Cape kuphela, uma ngembonile uPremier wakwa-KZN ubaba uNtuli ngapha endaweni yaseMpendle nakhona eyobheka isimo ngase. Kodwa ke ngifisa ukucaphuna ivideo yase-Eastern Cape, kunesihluku engisibone lapha ya. Abantu base-Eastern Cape ke masikhuluma nje kungonakele, ngoba manje konakele sifisa engathi bangathola usizo. Kodwa sithi abantu base-Eastern Cape akubona abantu engingabakhalela ngoba ifike kuvela ukuthi i-ANC yabaxhaphaza, kodwa mase kuvotwa yiba bahamba phambili bavotele i-ANC. Athi ngikucaphunele nansi ivideo bese sidlula kuleyo Umkhonto Wesizwe.
Zameka ibhlungu manje le meko nikuyo, nilala phansi, nina matrasi nengubo buyibolekiwe le ngubo.
Kakhulu sithandwa sami, sithathuwa kwathiwa sisuka e-lounge, eZimbane lounge. Xa sifika eZimbane lounge kwathiwa siyajikiswa ngabantu baseWOR Tambo, caba i-payment ayikenziwa, sayobekwa apho besithathwa khona eBambanani. Although sixoxwa kwakulo Bambanani, uprincipal ethe akafuni nosibona namhlanje, ufuna udilishana nabantwana besikolo. Xa sifika eBambanani, safika lokho eBambanani sekuklina uba siyaphuma, sincedwe ngubhodi wethu wasilwela ebantwini baseWOR Tambo. Xa bebezawusishiya bejika, wathi xa ubashiya apha ubashiyela into uba bazawubheka ngaphi, hamba nabo nibone bani bathini. Wantilwa ntana athi ke ngobusuku ngo-10 sazobekwa apha eholweni. Apha sifike salala phansi, asinazo nengubo, sihamba nabantwana.
Abamatrasi benu banikiwe.
Omatrasi bethu sibagcinise kule mizi sibeke kuyo impahla, kuba bekuthiwe masiye kuhamba nezinto. Bathe abantu baseWOR Tambo ebezosithatha masiye kuhamba neempahla, siya eBNB. Sazishiya izinto kuba kusiwa siya eBNB. Kwayile ngubo ndiyombetheyo mna ndiyibolekwe lelinye ilady laseDikolina ecaba lona lelana ichance yothatha izinto. Ndinomntwana andinangubo, sileli phansi akho netrust. Umzekelo ngonayo nefree, mna andingomntu nesitshotho, into endenza isitshotho yingqele, ndityiwe ingqele endikudala ndikhodola. Usuka ngoLwesibini ndandivuke ndisemanzini, oko ndindilanto esithubeni ndilala esikolweni. Itrust bendizawuqala ukuyifumana izolo because itrust kwaye zaphela phakathi, bendilala phansi esamentini. Kwaloo trust sendiyifumene ke ngoku andikhange ndikwazi uyisebenzisa because kuthiwe ndisuka elantukeni eZimbane lounge.
Njengoba ubona-ke yibo labantu engithi isihluku lesi sokuthi belahlekelwe ngamakhaya base bethenjisa ukuthi bazobhukhela indawo. Uma befika la bathola indawo akukhokhiwe. Sekufuneka babuye bazolala ehholweni. Nasesikoleni lesi kufuneka kunakwe abantwana besikole abanandawo. Sebeyantunta manje. Ngimbonile kuMinister lo ophethe Human Settlement. Ngiyacabanga uMinister lo akaSimelana ngimazi ubani igama lakhe. Ufikile lapha impela ethi bayasebenzisana nabanye. Nesasa futhi siyibonile nama-organization anjengo-Red Cross, yini nje le Gift of the Givers. Sibabonile lapha. Siyayincoma lento abayenzayo yinhle. Yingakho nje ngithi abantu base-Eastern Cape udaba labo libuye lingicasule ngoba i-ANC ayibanakile kodwa yibona abahamba phambili kuyivoteleni. Nalapha empendle akusi-Eastern Cape kuphela affectekile. Nalapha empendle i-EFF ibhale statement sokuthi uMinister wakaCokta okubaba uHlabisa akalisukumele lolu daba lokuthi abantu balahlekelwa ngamakhaya wabo. Balithathe njenge-disaster impela. Baresponda bakaCokta bathi isicelweni esishiwo i-EFF bathathela phezulu ibalulekile lento eshiwo i-EFF bazoyenza. Namhlanje-ke bebesempendle okuwu-Premier ubaba uNtuli kanye nobaba uHlabisa. Ngicela ubone la.
Ngaphezu kwalokhu yakudla-ke mama asebengingenise laphana endlini kukhona ne-voucher la yemali engu-1,376 esibona ukuthi-ke izokwazi ukuthi
ngihlala lapha nalezi ngane lezi eziwu-5 kule ndlu elimele. Njengamanje njengoba ilimele nishiye kuphi? Nishiye lapha kwagogo. Ugogo yena uhlala yedwa?
Asekho ugogo. Kodwa la muzi nje udlula amantombazana akhona.
Mangaki amantombazana?
Nansi enye yathana pheshela. Enye nayo ihlala ngale Hawick. Kodwa bayabuya bazohlala emzini wabo.
Babuye.
uma bengekho kuhlala bantu.
Uma bengekho nje bengivula nje.
Two room there. Iba no 4 room, 2 room, 4. Bese ba around the water ngemava.
Mhlonishwa uNgqongqoshe uMandla Nankulu. Asikubalule ukuthi sekuphinda kabili ekhaya kushadwe abalesini. Wesibili manje benza lento efanayo.
Sakho umuntu osebenzayo.
Ngoba le khaya yasebenza kodwa into okuba ngashifti emsebenzini. Ngazi ngishiye inkosi yakhe.
Socela-ke
Siyabonga-ke kubaba uVelenkosi Nhlabisa owuminister wakaCokta kanye no-Premier waKwaZulu Natal ubaba uNtuli ukuthi EFF ibhala lolu daba bangathathi ukuthi into ishiwo ubani kodwa babuka isimo. Ngiyayincoma le ne-EFF futhi ngiyayincoma ukusukumela udaba ithi yebo yona yikho semandleni kodwa inezwi. Nansi into ebalekile ayisebenzise phela izwi layo ukuthi ithi nansi disaster khona la i-attendeni ngoba nina nisemandleni. Ngiyakubonga nje lokusebenzisana kwabo kusho likhulu sozosizakala lemndeni. Eminye imindeni idonsa kanzima. Idonsa kanzima ungayitshela nje umuntu uthi usokole kodwa mawubuka into ezinje uyabona ikhona imindeni edonsa kanzima. Asidluleke lolu daba sekulelo le MK Party kule nayo ngapha eWestern Cape. Ngicela ukuthi ngicaphunele ivideo bese ngiphawula emveni kwaleyo video.
Many pots of food are being cooked. Political parties have come out under the invitation of Nadeem Hendricks, who every year places focus with Khairunisa to run this particular event. It's a huge event, feeding thousands.
We also realize the poor is not getting richer, they're actually getting poorer. So from one pot, we actually now, alhamdulillah, we cook 60 pots of food. And that, inshallah, next year will grow And that's how the organization, Musafin Foundation, Spot of Food, grow. But we feed daily, because we feed 27,000 people daily through the Western Cape.
Friends who are of Muslim faith. And the reason why I came out is because they are cooking food to serve those that are needy, and tomorrow they will be eating a home cooked meal that is freshly cooked. And also in terms of MK, it's also MK wants to serve the community that we live among. So this is us coming out here with also the youth volunteering. It's MK Party's way of showing that we are involved in our communities. We see them, we see their events, and we are present.
Cook a pot of food, but also teach the community how to cook a pot of food. So this is where they start tonight. For example, we have for the first time we have MK here, right? And the turnout is stunning, and the enthusiasm is stunning, right? And therefore now we're teaching them, and they love it. And now they brought the youth here as well, which now I just put the youth with experienced people to explain them how to do it. So we do this development, social development program to ensure that we know poverty is serious in the township. Poverty is a major crisis in the township, you know, and therefore we need to find a way.
Well, I think as the Youth League, it's a very important initiative that we do come and join the program. Not everyone has the opportunity and privilege to have the privilege that I have to be on. So giving a meal to the people that are on the streets, the people that are in need, is really entrenched in the ideology of not only the MK Party, but in the pillars of Ubuntu.
In full force is the MK Party, and in particular our youth tonight, who came out to spend their time at this hour, 10 o'clock at night, to ensure that they are giving back to society. Politics in particular is not only about doing the talking, it's about doing the walking.
Ngithe-ke angeke sihlale singayincomi i-MK Party noma-ke inedrama-ke eningi ngoba iyaxosha kakhulu ayidlali. Yikhona idrama zenzeka zonke izinto kodwa nokuhle abakwenzayo kufanele sikuncome. Sikushayela ihlombe kokwenziwa i-MK Party la sengathi ingaqhubeka lento iye phambili. Bangagcini baqhubeke njalo. Yazi lama organization namasonto aphekela abantu labantu abahlala emgwaqweni. EJozi nje eJohannesburg kunesonto lapha yale Universal Church. Labantu laba abalala emgwaqweni, it doesn't matter noma babhema inyawupe noma bayibhemi, bayavuka bayazi ukuthi bayophaka ekseni bayophaka nini. Iyalekelela kakhulu, iyalekelela kakhulu. Iyalekelela ingakho nje ngiyayincoma ngoba at least they are doing something to serve the community. Futhi ngeke ubezwe bethi sifuna amavoti ke laba engibashoyo abaphekela abantu. Sengike ngababona lapha eJohannesburg abantu befolile bemulayini beyophaka. Ama-Muslim kadume ngakho lokho ayakwenza. Isengathi namanye amasonto angabukela la ekuthenini awuseva kanjani umphakathi ngoba ekugcineni kosuku ayingxenye yomphakathi. Ngiyacela ukuma la kodwa ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uma ungakasubscribe, ngiyabonga.